Hello and welcome back. Earlier in this playlist, I said that a recording of someone talking can be qualitative data. But this doesn't mean that every time you record someone talk, it is qualitative data. There's one last condition that needs to be met. An audio recording, or any other item, only becomes qualitative data when it's included in a research project. This condition raises two important questions. What is a research project, and how does an item get included in one? I propose that we think of a research project as a set of activities conducted to address a specified gap in our knowledge or understanding of a topic. Let's look more closely at this definition. First, the goal of research is to increase our knowledge of a topic. It's not to find something out for yourself that other people already know, or that people studying in a specific field could already pretty easily find out. A research project is oriented towards creating new knowledge, information, understandings, theories, or insights that currently do not exist about a topic. More than just learning new knowledge, a research project aims to address a specified gap in our knowledge or understanding. This specified knowledge gap that a project tries to address is usually identified by the research questions or objectives or the aims of a project. These questions have a key strategic position as they establish the aim of the project. To answer these research questions, researchers plan and complete a range of various activities. These activities may include applying for funding, getting ethics approval, engaging graduate students, collecting data, writing up results, etc. The context in which the study is conducted will impact the activities that need to be included. For example, within an academic environment, some of these activities will be directed by the research institution. For example, the need to get ethics approval, or to manage research funds in accordance with institutional policies. Different academic traditions and research approaches will often have recognized practices around which and how activities within a research project should be conducted. Choices around which activities to conduct will have implications for the selection of other activities. For example, if we choose to survey participants limiting their responses to numerical options, it'll have implications for how we choose to analyze the data later on. But the biggest impact on which activities are appropriate is determined by the research questions a project is designed to address. This should not be surprising because addressing the research questions, in other words, addressing the specified knowledge gap that you selected, is the reason why we bother with all the trouble of doing a research project. Which activities to conduct and how they're conducted should combine into a coherent strategy for meeting a project's specific aims. The activities conducted within a research project should work as an interconnected whole targeted at addressing a project's research questions. When you do not intend to do any more activities towards addressing or related to a specific set of research questions, it's fair to say that that research project is over then. So how does an item get included in a research project? It's pretty simple. It's up to the researchers to determine which items and objects they see as being relevant for and included in their projects. The data in a research project is any item or object that the researchers can access that they intend to analyze or in any other way include to address their research questions. The researcher has the power to determine what is data for their project. If a researcher can access and includes an item, it meets my third condition of being data included in a research project. Now that we know what qualitative data is, in the next video, we'll look at what qualitative research is. Thanks again for watching.